A Vista Grande. Okay, mother, go in. Swimming entrance is for 100. Go, mother, go. Ito yung swimming pool. Ito natin sila, go. Hindi kayo mag-overnight dyan. Diyan, kita na. Ganda, diba? Go.
Mami, palar di ka na naligo, Lar. Kaya pa di ka na naligo.
Lar, I pay you 100. Go and swim here. You want? No. I'm your lifeguard. There, on the right side. On the right side. Ang ganda, di ba? Mother! Come, ikaw ang model ko. Sarap mag-relax, di ba? Tapos ang harapan mo, may pool, tapos may overlooking seaside. Mother, sit down. Huh? Okay, si Mother ang model. She said she want to buy this kind of sofa to put on the terrace. Okay, your wish is your command.
Swimming pool gani.
Ganda dun sa taas. Oh.